Namaskar. Previous sessions we see the lesson explanation of Chandan ka Pradesh Karnatakas. So now continue the book exercise of this chapter for grade 6 Madhukiran Hindi Partmalas. So first once we read the word meanings. Sabdartha. First one Manohar, pleasant. Manohar, pleasant. Susma, splendid. Susma, planter. Nyochavar, Nuchavar, sacrifice, cover. Nakasi, Nakasi, curvings. Jal Prabhat, waterfall. Paryatak, tourist. Utkrust, excellent. Vivasai, business. Anumati, permissions. Parambarik, traditional. And idioms. Din Duni Raat Chauganis. अत्यधिक उन्नति करना. You progress spontaneously, rapidly. Progress rapidly. That's it. Leaps and bounds. Progress by leaps and bounds. That's it. Din Duni Raat Chauganis. Progress leaps and bounds. So now come to that book exercise. First one. सही विकल्प चुनिए. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. भारत का विश्व फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. भारत का विशालतम जलप्रपात कौन सा है? What is the largest waterfall in the Indias? Waterfall in Indias. Jog, Adhud, Alkapuri, Pambar. So Jog waterfall is at India's largest waterfalls. Second question. कर्नाटक में किस अवसर पर संगीत का विशेष आयोजन होता है? On which occasion a special musical event organized in Karnataka? Let's come to that last before paragraphs. It's described about the Karnataka's musicals and literary work contributions. They say is Ram Navami. What is Holy Ram Navami? Right answer is Ram Navami, Dasara, Deepavali. So Ram Navami is the right ones. Next one. कौन सी लकड़ी सुगंध और औषधीय गुण के कारण प्रसिद्ध है? Which tree? Which wood? कौन सी लकड़ी wood. Which wood is famous for its fragrance and medicinal properties? Which wood? Yes, the lesson title itself had the answer. So Chandan, Devdar, oak trees, Ashok, and mango trees, palm trees. So right answer is Chandan. Next one. पाठ के अनुसार वाक्यों का क्रम 1, 2, 3 लिखिए. Write the correct sequence according to the lessons 1 to 3. So first once understand the meanings, then we put up the numbers. यहाँ भरतनाट्यम, कथक और कुचिपुड़ी नृत्य कलाओं विशेष लोकप्रिय है. Here Bharatanatyam, Kathakali and Kuchipudi dance are especially popular. The second one, कृष्णराज सागर बांध से निकलने वाली नहरें आसपास के विस्तृत क्षेत्र की सिंचाई करती है. सिंचाई irrigations. So the canals originating from the Krishnaraj Sagar Dam irrigates vast areas surrounding here. So this is it. Second statement. So see the next ones. Mysore Silk City के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Mysore is also known as the name of Silk City. Next statement. यहाँ उमड़ते जलप्रपात अपने सौंदर्य के कारण पर्यटकों को आकर्षित करता है. The waterfalls here attract the tourists due to the beauties. सौंदर्य beauties. Next statement, final statement. कर्नाटक के जंगलों में संतन के वृक्ष काफी संख्या में पाए जाते हैं. काफी means that numerous, that means a large. Sandalwood trees are found in large numbers in the forest of Karnataka. So now start to put the numbers. The first statement is the fourth one. The gushing waterfalls. The waterfalls attract the tourist, पर्यटक को आकर्षित करता है. So this is the first one. second one is at last one. Last is the second one. कर्नाटक के जंगल में संदन के वृक्ष काफी संख्या में पाए जाते हैं. This is a second statement. Sandalwood trees are found in large numbers in the forest of Karnataka. Third one is at Mysore. Silk City के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Mysore is also known for the name of silk cities. And then next statement, fourth statement is at first one. भरतनाट्यम. यहाँ भरतनाट्यम, कथक और कुचिपुड़ी नृत्य कला विशेष लोकप्रिय है. Very popular, especially popular. And the last one, that remainder one, Krishnaraj Sagar Bandh. The dam Krishnaraj डैम. इस निकलने वाले सागर नहरें आपस के विस्तृत क्षेत्र की सिंचाई करती है. दिस इज द फिफ्थ वन.